Imagine this, you're sitting behind the wheel of a car that feels like it was born to break records. The engine roars to life, a deep, guttural growl that sends shivers down your spine. You press the accelerator, and in an instant, you're pinned to your seat as the world blurs around you. This isn't just any car, this is a speed car, a machine that redefines what's possible on four wheels. If cars had a personality, speed cars would be the fearless, boundary-pushing pioneers, the ones that thrive on speed, innovation, and adrenaline. They're not just cars, they're statements that say you don't just drive, you dominate. Speed cars aren't just vehicles, they're legends. From the sleek curves of a Bugatti Chiron to the raw power of a Koenigsegg Jesko, these machines have set new benchmarks for what cars can achieve. They're the vehicles of choice for those who refuse to compromise, those who want the thrill of a hypercar without sacrificing the engineering brilliance and precision that make them so special. But what makes speed cars so extraordinary? Let's take a closer look, because these aren't just cars, they're masterpieces of speed, design, and innovation. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about speed cars in general. Myth number 1, speed cars are only for the rich and famous. Wrong. While they may come with a hefty price tag, speed cars are more than just status symbols, they're feats of engineering that push the boundaries of what's possible. Myth number 2, speed cars are impractical and uncomfortable. Think again. Modern speed cars are designed with both performance and comfort in mind, featuring luxurious interiors, advanced technology, and surprisingly smooth rides. In myth number 3, speed cars are all about straight-line speed, not handling. Not true. Many speed cars, like the McLaren P1 and Porsche 911 GT2 Rupees, are designed to excel on both the drag strip and the racetrack, offering precision handling and razor-sharp cornering. They're not just cars, they're versatile, high-performance machines. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with speed cars even more. Did you know that the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus became the first production car to break the 300 miles per hour barrier, reaching a top speed of 304.773 miles per hour, 490.484 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most small airplanes. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute is designed to reach a theoretical top speed of 330 miles per hour, 531 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest cars ever conceived. It's not just fast, it's mind-blowingly fast. To put that into perspective, these cars can outpace most supercars and even some hypercars, and they do it with a level of precision and engineering that's truly awe-inspiring. They're not just cars, they're glimpses into the future of automotive performance. But speed cars aren't just about raw power, they're also about precision. These machines feature carbon fiber monocoque chassis that provide exceptional rigidity and lightweight construction, while adaptive suspension systems ensure that you can fine-tune the ride to suit your style and the road conditions. The carbon ceramic brakes offer incredible stopping power, giving you the confidence to push the limits. And with advanced aerodynamics, including active spoilers and diffusers, speed cars deliver unparalleled handling and stability, even at extreme speeds. They're not just cars, they're symphonies of engineering. Think about the last time you saw a car that made your heart race. Speed cars are here to bring that feeling to life. With their sleek, aerodynamic designs and futuristic styling, they're cars that demand attention wherever they go. The design isn't just for show. Every curve, every bend, every detail is there to enhance performance. The active aerodynamics aren't just styling cues, they're there to reduce drag and improve stability at high speeds. Even the butterfly doors and scissor doors are specially designed to make a statement, combining form and function in perfect harmony. They're not just cars, they're works of art. Now, let's talk about performance, because speed cars aren't just about looking good, they're about delivering a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is unforgettable. These cars are powered by turbocharged engines, hybrid powertrains, or even fully electric motors, delivering mind-bending acceleration and razor-sharp handling. The Bugatti Chiron, for example, is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces 1,500 horsepower, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. The Rimac Nevera, an all-electric hypercar, delivers 1,914 horsepower and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.85 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating cars in the world. It's not just a car, it's a track-ready hypercar. But what really sets speed cars apart is their commitment to innovation. These are cars that prove you don't have to sacrifice performance for sustainability. With advancements in hybrid and electric technology, speed cars like the Ferrari SF90 Stradale and Rimac Nevera are leading the charge toward a greener future, offering zero-emission performance without compromising on speed or power. They're not just cars, they're symbols of what's possible when innovation meets ambition. So, what do speed cars mean for you? They're a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have speed and sustainability, power and precision, adrenaline and artistry. They're a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and daring as you are. They're cars that don't just take you places, they take you on a journey. Whether you're tearing up the track, cruising down the highway, or turning heads at a car show, speed cars are vehicles that make every moment unforgettable. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of speed, and the beauty of iconic design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most legendary vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. Speed cars aren't just cars, they're dreams. Dreams that say you can have it all: speed, sustainability, and soul. They're cars that don't just push limits, they shatter them. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of speed cars? Because these aren't just cars, they're a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.